Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this my Disney parents filter on Snapchat. Okay, so this is the filter. Okay, to get this filter, what you have to do? Okay, let me remove this first. Okay, the effect is gone. To get this effect on Snapchat, what you have to do? Okay, just visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the snap code for this filter. If you are browsing this website in your laptop or PC, you can scan the snap code with your Snapchat mobile app. And if you are browsing this website in your mobile, just tap on the code and open it with Snapchat. Okay, wait for it. Yeah, that's it. You got the filter. So that's it, guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video, guys. See you in the next video.